Get ready to be amazed because this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. You seriously need to see this. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the design is pure genius. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it makes your daily routine effortless. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly shockingly good at what it does for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity today without any delay. Get ready to be amazed because this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. You seriously